Welcome back to Bunny Bear Quiz. It's time for the Odd One Out, Kitchen Edition. But before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Think your eyes are sharp enough? Let's find out. Ready to cook? One frying pan isn't quite right. Can you spot it? Nice job, you've got eagle eyes. Let's see if you can spot the next one. Flip it good. Which spatula looks a little different? Sweet spotting. You're on a roll. Can you find the odd one in the next set? Dinner's on the stove, but one pot is off. Boom, nailed it. Now let's see how sharp your eyes are for the next round. That was impressive. Think you can keep the streak going? Let's find out. Stay sharp, one knife is not like the others. Ooh, you didn't miss a beat. Forks up, can you find the odd one out? Sharp eyes and sweet skills. Ready to tackle the next one? Chop chop, spot the odd cutting board. You crushed it, but the next one might be trickier. Let's go. You spotted that like a pro. Let's jump into the next puzzle. Roll with it, but one rolling pin is missing a handle. Bullseye! Let's test your vision with another round. Stay safe from the heat. One mitt looks a little off. You're heating up. Can you keep the momentum going? Let's find out. Pop it in. Which toaster doesn't belong? You've made it to the last one. Let's see if you can finish strong. Nice spotting. You are a champ. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. If you had fun, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Bunny Bear Quiz, and tap that bell icon so you never miss a challenge. See you in the next one.